That's Mike from Custom Cruisers here. Here we are, we're pressing the bearing out on this case. Okay, it's actually been done, it's a bit of a con this, but as you can see, we've got a 10-ton press. And basically what we're gonna do, even though I have already done it actually, but we're basically gonna press this down. If you press this gear out, you gotta check it's dead square. Now I know this one's loose, okay, because I've already pressed it out, but basically this, you have to align this bang on the shaft, and in this case it's going to drop down onto this piece of wood, save damaging it. But this is how you see, that would press it out like I did earlier. I should have done it, be filmed actually pressing out, but I didn't have the camera on. And then basically we're going to take this 5th gear out. This is out of an Evo, okay, and then we're going to press a new bearing in here. That's a quad seal. Okay, this ensures that you don't get any oil leaks, but these presses aren't that expensive to buy. This particular one, like a 10-ton, I think it is. But very good bit of kit, you know, if you want to do this kind of stuff. Pressing any kind of bearings in, it means you don't actually need a Jim's tool, because this is actually better. What I tend to do is keep loads of old bearing races, big, small, that's off a lathe, you know, parts to swap all this stuff over, and you can use these as presses. But very good bit of kit. So what the next thing we're going to do with this, okay, is we're going to get our decent circlip pliers, because you do need good ones of these. Okay, and then single-handedly, maybe not, I don't know. No. Right, I'm gonna